Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, going to make a really easy, fast, quick, midweek pasta with tuna and some other bits. It's absolutely delicious. So we've got tuna, tomatoes, pasta, but I've also got a little bit of chili in there, some olives, some anchovy. Really, really fast this is, and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using. So at the back, our pasta. I've already got that cooked. You could be using any pasta you like. I'm using this thin type of penne. It's about 200 grams there. One regular sized can of tomatoes. 135 grams of tomato paste, you know, one of those little kind of Tetra Pak things. I've got some olives here. I'm using some black olives. You could be using green or a mixture of both. And I've taken the stones out. Teaspoon each of chili flakes and oregano. Obviously, going to give that a lovely kind of spicy flavour. Salt, pepper. One regular sized onion sliced. Here I've got a few anchovies. Nice saltiness, nice fishy taste. I love them. Some people really don't. Nice heaped teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. And here I've got 2 regular cans of tuna. Now the tuna you can get, you know, when I say the regular can, I mean the kind of short one. But you can get it in water, in oil. It's up to you. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. That is pretty much it. Okay, so I've got my pan here, some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by adding our onion. I'm going to get these olives in straight away. Some salt and pepper. Fairly generous with the pepper. Go easy on the salt if you're using the olives like me and the anchovies. There's a lot of salt there already. Very simply, 3 minutes, high heat. Let's keep this moving. So those onions are just taken in the pan there. And at this stage we're going to add our tuna. I'm going to add that garlic, the oregano and the chili flakes, and those anchovies. Not to everyone's taste, certainly to mine. Another 3 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, it could not be easier. Next step, we're going to add that can of tomatoes. We're going to add the tomato paste. We're going to add a little bit of water. If you wanted, you could be adding a glass of white wine maybe, but water works for me. We're going to lower the heat to just above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this. We're going to let it go for 5 to 6 minutes. And it's going to be done. And it's going to be fantastic. Super easy, super fast, but super tasty. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in. Get some steam out of there for you. And look at that, that's changed a nice kind of deeper red colour. That's going to be fantastic. Check that for salt. For me, it's going to be fine. We put salt in, we've got olives in there, we've got the anchovies. That is delightful. Now what we're going to do is get our pasta in. Well, that's what I'm going to do. You could just put your pasta on top. I'm going to put mine in. In she goes. And then, just for a couple of minutes, on this kind of fairly lowish heat now, we're going to stir this in, get some lovely sauce on, in and around our pasta, and then we can serve. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay, there you go, plated up. Looks fantastic. If you wanted to put cheese on it, generally I wouldn't put cheese on this because it's just fish. Normally I wouldn't put fish and cheese together with pasta, but go for it if you like. Just going to put a little bit of parsley on the top to finish it off. And that's it, we're done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications. See you soon. Lots of love.